Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's vlog I'm going to be showing you my favorite spot in Goa. So my friends are supposed to come and meet me now, but right now they're taking so long. So what I decided is I'm going to go on a picnic with myself. So that's called self-love. So first I'm at this supermarket. I'm going to get something to eat and I'm going to get some drinks, and we're going to head on to my favorite spot, and I'm going to show you this incredible place in Goa, guys. So let's go. I'm gonna get a few things for my picnic, so I'm gonna get this, and let's see what else they have in the supermarket. So yeah, I'm gonna search for something else that I can take to my picnic with me alone. The next thing I'm gonna get is a couple of Doritos, because I love Doritos, and I need to get something more filling. So let's look around the supermarket and see if I can get something more filling. So I added some peanuts to my thing. So we got our supplies, and now let's head on to my favorite secret spot. So let's go. This is the entrance to the place we are going over here. So let's just head in. So I'm going by bike over here. So guys, this is the entrance of the place. You can check this beautiful painting over here. So we're going to head in. So as you can see, the beautiful view in the distance. Look at that incredible view, guys. So we are going to head in. That's my favorite spot over there. So we are going to head in over there, and I'm going to show you this incredible viewpoint which not many people know about, and we're going to go over there and check it out. So I'm going to head out there. This place is a little steep, so my bike has to go in there, so I'm just going to head out there right now. So guys, we've reached the spot, and I'm going to go and show you around. This place is incredible and it has a view to die for. So let's just look around now. So guys, we have reached the spot. Look at this place, guys. How amazing is this place? How beautiful is it? So if you want to find this place, you can just search for this hotel, which is title over here, or what? It is not title, it is TITLIE. Okay, and these are some beautiful cottages overlooking this incredible view. This is called Ozran Heights. I'll put the link in the description so you can find the place. And look at this incredible view. So I'm just going to head out over here down the slope, and yes, I'm going to show you this beautiful. Look at that. How incredible is that? So we're going to head out down here. So these beautiful rocks over here, you have these, wow. So you have these rocks here, and look at that view. So this is where I'm going to be doing my picnic and a little self-love for this weekend, because of course everybody deserves a day to themselves. So I'm here and I'm gonna have my picnic now. So I'm gonna be sitting over here. Okay, so let's just see what I got in my backpack, and let's start my picnic. So guys, I'm opening my backpack and I got my chips, and I'm going to enjoy them with this incredible view. Enjoy myself over here. So yeah, what a beautiful place. How beautiful is that? So I'm just sitting down here. Wow, look at that. incredible. So I got my buns. It's not a bun, it's like a croissant. Oh, it's an egg custard. Oh, yum, it's so delicious. Look at that. Where else can you do this? I love it. I love it. I just love my life. So I'm going to enjoy this. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to open my beer and show you guys. So let me enjoy my evening here till my friends come. Man, I feel so relaxed here. It's so beautiful. Thank you, God, for providing me a chance to live in this beautiful place.